Okay guys, so now it's time to see the results of the community mystery pattern. Oh my gosh, you guys, I had over 70 people send in photos, and genuinely and truly, a lot of you nailed it. A lot of you got so close to nailing it, I would call it nailed. A lot of you gave an exceptional try. Some of you don't even speak English and rewrote the pattern in your language, and I can't even imagine the challenge and how close you came. And some of you got clever and said, I'm just going to turn this into something else, as you will see. So I'm super excited to show you guys the results. It's just going to be an additional 3 minutes. So I encourage you to stay tuned and watch what everybody has made. And thank you so much. I do look forward to doing this again. So as I've mentioned in my live videos, I want to do what we call like a quarterly exam, since we are learning so much about vintage and antique crochet. And every 2 to 3 months, I'd like to do another one of these sort of community mystery patterns. And then at the end, no, those are ones I will pick. But at the end of the year, I'll have Justin pick one for all of us, including me. I won't have a clue what it is until I go to start editing it. So it's going to be a mystery for all of us, and that's going to be our final exam for 2024. So look forward to at least 4 or 5 more of these throughout 2024. Okay, guys, and here are your results. So let's go ahead and work out the pattern really quick. I already chained 13. It says this is worked crosswise. What I think they mean by that is it's worked this way. Some edgings, they want you to go ahead and start with the chain the length of the item you wish to edge. But I think what they mean by this is worked crosswise is we're going to be working them like this. So we'll be working, you know, across. Okay. Make a chain of 13. I have done that. Work a shell of 3 double crochet. That translates into 3 US single crochet, 1 chain, and again 3 US single crochet into the 10th stitch, counting from right to left. Okay, counting from right to left, 10th chain. Just count 3 up, 1, 2, 3, since we started with 13. So this right here will make the 10th. And we work 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. 1 chain and 3 more single crochet. Oh, geez. Oh, let me do that all again. I didn't realize. Let me pull my camera toward me a bit. It's way up. I'm sorry, guys. Here we go. Okay, do that all again. Count 3 chains up, 1, 2, 3. That makes this one the 10th. And I'll move this aside for you. I'm very sorry about that. I had no idea until I just glanced up and I'm like, oh my goodness, I'm not even on screen. So 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and 3 single crochet, all into the same 10th chain, 2, and 3. Okay, now it says here then 3 chain and 1 single crochet in the end stitch of the chain. So let's chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 1 single crochet into the last stitch of the chain. Okay, turn and chain 7. Well, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Place another shell in the 4th stitch of the preceding one. In the 4th stitch of the preceding one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That tells me that's going to be into the chain 1 space. Is that right? I have a picture I could look at. Yeah. So then into the chain 1 space, we work another shell. Make sure that's the chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yes. So some people opted to use US terms and the work turned out really nice. It turned out nice both ways. 2 and 3, chain 1, and then 1, 2, and 3. There we go. And so now just to confirm, these are the instructions that came out of the same book as the pattern. A double crochet is to draw the thread through a loop of the lower row of the previous row. Then draw it through the other 2 stitches, and then that's it. A treble crochet, a UK treble crochet equals a US double crochet. Put the cotton over the needle, so yarn over, and insert the latter into a loop. Draw the cotton through the first loop, then through 2 stitches, then again through the last 2 stitches. That is a double crochet. That's what we call a double crochet here in the US, but in the UK, they call it a treble crochet. So just to clarify, all right, chain 7, okay, then chain 3 and 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the 4th stitch of the adjoining loop. 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the 4th stitch of the adjoining loop. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I may not even get this, guys. Turn, chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 shell of 7 stitches. What do they mean by stitches? 3 chain and 8 double crochet. 1 shell of 7 stitches. That's not very clear. I know usually they refer to chains as stitches or just stitches in general. I mean, what is that? 1 shell of 7 stitches. 1 shell of 7 stitches, 3 chain and 8 single crochet with 2 chain between in the loop. I don't really know what they mean. I don't know what they mean. I'm just going to work a shell over the shell. 1, 2, 3. Like I said, I may not even get this. Okay, 1 shell of 7 stitches, because technically this is 7 stitches. 3 double crochet, I'm sorry, 3 US single crochet, 3 stitches, a chain is 1 stitch, and 3 more single crochet, all equal 7 stitches. So I'm just going to assume that is what they mean. Okay, 1 shell of 7 stitches, 3 chain, 8 single crochet with 2 chain between in the loop. Okay, so that means 4 single crochet. It almost seems like these should be worked in double crochet, doesn't it? 2, 3, 4, 2 chains, right? It did say yes. And then repeating again. Where did this little hair come from? I shaved all my hair off, so there shouldn't be any dang old hairs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Turn 2 single crochet, so 2 slip stitches. 5 chain 5 times. Okay, so turn and 2 single crochet. In 1885, Victorian crochet is a slip stitch. So 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch, and slip stitch again. Is that going to allow me to have 5 loops? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch. I'm going to slip stitch. Oh no, it said into the double crochets, or single crochets. So that's 1, 2, no, it's not. So maybe back into the same, and then slip stitch 1 over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That might work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back into the same stitch, maybe, and then the next one over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back into the same, and then the next one over. 1, 2, 3, sorry guys, 4, 5, back into the same, and then the next one over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back into the same, and then the next one over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Inserting the needle. Okay, 2 single crochet and turn. Well, I just did 1 single crochet, so I have room to work 1 more. Slip stitch technically. Turn and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Shell, chain 3. 1 single crochet inserted in the 4th stitch of the loop. Well, what did you make me turn for? I'm not going to turn. See here. 1, 2, 3. So right in here, it's the hardest thing in the world to find a chain 1 between single crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 1. I'll make a loose chain 1. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. All right. Continue as, did I do that wrong? Why do I feel like I did that wrong? I think I did that wrong. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I did all of it wrong. Now these don't look like single crochets. These look like double crochets, don't they? Well, to those of you who got it, congratulations. She has me stumped, and mine looks a lot like so many people who turned theirs in. Two single crochet, 5 chain 5 times, inserting the needle in each single crochet of the preceding round. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And even that's not going to be correct. Well, I must admit, I'm stumped. Mine doesn't look any different than so many people who turned theirs over. I'm not comprehending. Continue as above in the second. Okay. Inserted in the 4th, you know. Well, there it is. It stumped me too, you guys. To those of you who figured it out, God bless you. Congratulations. You guys got it. I was just as stumped as so many others. So there you go. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next community mystery pattern. And hopefully it's one I can figure out too. I will see you guys real soon. And please enjoy your new year.